Hey there, fellow web designers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for you. We'll be showing you how to add a captivating dual button widget to your Elementor website using the amazing Happy Elementor add-ins plugin. So, let's dive right in. Before we get started, we need to make sure you have the Happy Elementor add-ins plugin installed. If you don't have it yet, head over to the plugin settings and install the Happy add-ins first. It's quick and easy. Search the dual button widget from the menu bar on the left-hand side of your screen, then drag and drop it in the selected area. You can set the texts of your buttons and connector. You will get options for left button, connector, right button. You can also set or upload an icon for your buttons. If you want to, you can hide the connector. There is also an option for that. You also can set the connector type to an icon or text. Clicking on the Style button, you will get options to edit the buttons and the connector. The common options are to edit the general design of the buttons and the connector. The dual button widget offers a wide range of customization options, allowing you to tailor the buttons to match your website's style and branding. You can choose different button styles, colors, sizes, and even add attractive hover effects. You can give space between buttons. You can place the button left, right, and center using the horizontal alignment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Share this video with your fellow web designers, because great design is meant to be shared.